After 60, every bite you take can either heal you or harm you. Many foods we grew up loving might now silently damage our heart, weaken our bones, or even increase the risk of dangerous diseases. Doctors say, what you avoid is just as important as what you eat. In today's video, we'll uncover the doctor-approved list of foods seniors should completely stay away from, if they want to stay active, healthy, and full of life even after 60. After the age of 60, one of the most important organs that needs extra care is your heart. Unfortunately, processed meats and high-sodium foods are among the biggest threats to senior health. Processed meats like sausages, hot dogs, bacon, and even some packaged cold cuts are loaded with preservatives, artificial flavors, and most importantly, salt. Doctors warn that consuming these regularly increases the risk of hypertension, strokes, and heart disease. Sodium is a hidden ingredient that many seniors overlook. Even foods that don't taste salty may contain shocking amounts of it, like canned soups, pickles, instant noodles, and even so-called diet snacks. As we age, our kidneys naturally become less efficient at removing excess sodium from the body. This leads to fluid retention, higher blood pressure, and extra strain on the heart. In fact, research shows that seniors who consume high levels of sodium are far more likely to suffer from heart attacks and kidney damage. Beyond just the heart, processed meats also contain nitrates and nitrites, chemicals used to preserve their color and taste. Studies have linked these additives to an increased risk of colon cancer, which becomes a greater concern with age. Combined with saturated fats, these foods also raise cholesterol levels, making arteries stiffer and narrower. For someone above 60, that's a recipe for faster aging of the cardiovascular system. Doctors recommend reducing or, if possible, eliminating processed meats entirely. Instead, seniors should switch to healthier sources of protein like fresh fish, skinless chicken, beans, lentils, and nuts. For flavor, replace table salt with natural herbs and spices, such as turmeric, garlic, parsley, or black pepper, which not only enhance taste but also provide anti-inflammatory benefits. In short, what feels like a convenient meal can actually be a hidden danger. After 60, avoiding processed meats and high-sodium foods is one of the smartest steps you can take to protect your heart, maintain healthy blood pressure, and enjoy an active life for years to come. After 60, sugar becomes one of the most dangerous ingredients in your diet. While sweets, desserts, and sugary drinks may bring comfort, doctors warn that they quietly accelerate aging, weaken bones, and put seniors at risk of serious diseases. Soft drinks, packaged juices, pastries, chocolates, cookies, and even sugar-free candies often contain hidden sugars that the body struggles to process as we get older. Why is sugar so harmful after 60? The first reason is blood sugar control. As we age, insulin sensitivity decreases, meaning the body cannot handle sudden spikes in glucose effectively. This raises the risk of developing type 2 diabetes or worsening it if already present. High blood sugar also damages blood vessels, which can lead to vision problems, kidney issues, and even memory decline. Secondly, sugar directly affects bone health. Many seniors are already at risk of osteoporosis, and excess sugar makes it worse by leaching calcium from the bones. Soft drinks containing phosphoric acid are especially harmful, as they reduce bone density and make fractures more likely. Imagine enjoying a sweet soda today but paying the price with weaker bones tomorrow. Sugary foods also damage the brain. Doctors point out that diets high in sugar increase inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, which is linked to memory loss and a higher risk of dementia. That's why people over 60 who consume sugary drinks daily are more likely to experience cognitive decline compared to those who limit them. And let's not forget weight gain. Even if seniors are not eating much, sugary drinks and sweets add empty calories without providing nutrition. This not only increases belly fat but also raises cholesterol and blood pressure, adding more strain to the heart and joints. Excess weight makes simple daily activities harder, reducing independence and quality of life. So, what should seniors do? Replace sodas and packaged juices with water, herbal teas, or fresh fruit-infused water. Instead of cakes and cookies, enjoy natural sweet options like berries, apples, or dates, but in moderation. Doctors often suggest the 80-20 rule: keep 80% of your diet wholesome and allow 20% for small indulgences. In short, sugar might feel harmless, but after 60, it becomes a silent enemy, damaging bones, brain, and overall health. Reducing sugary drinks and sweets is one of the most powerful changes seniors can make to stay sharp, strong, and full of life. Deep-fried foods, like samosas, pakoras, fried chicken, French fries, and donuts, may look crispy and tempting, but after the age of 60, they can silently damage the body from the inside out. Doctors repeatedly warn seniors that fried and overly oily foods accelerate aging, increase joint pain, and raise the risk of chronic diseases. The biggest problem lies in the type of oils used for frying. Most commercial fried foods are cooked in cheap, refined vegetable oils such as palm oil or soybean oil. When heated at high temperatures, these oils release trans fats, a dangerous type of fat that clogs arteries, raises bad cholesterol, LDL, and lowers good cholesterol, HDL. This combination is especially harmful for seniors because it directly increases the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Deep-fried foods also trigger inflammation in the body. As we age, joints naturally lose lubrication and cartilage wears down, leading to arthritis and stiffness. Eating oily. Fried foods makes inflammation worse, which is why many seniors feel more joint pain, swelling, and fatigue after consuming them. Doctors often note that patients who cut down fried foods report not only better heart health but also less joint discomfort. Another hidden danger is the impact on digestion and weight. The digestive system slows down with age, and fried foods are much harder to process. They sit in the stomach longer, causing bloating, indigestion, and sometimes acid reflux. On top of that, fried snacks are calorie-dense but nutrient-poor. This leads to unhealthy weight gain, especially around the belly area, which puts additional pressure on the spine, knees, and hips. There's also the issue of oxidative stress. Frying foods produces harmful compounds called free radicals. Over time, these free radicals damage cells, speed up skin aging, and weaken the immune system. Seniors who frequently eat fried foods may notice dull skin, slower healing, and reduced energy levels. So what's the healthier alternative? Doctors recommend grilling, steaming, baking, or air frying instead of deep frying. Olive oil, avocado oil, or mustard oil are better choices in small amounts, but even they should not be overheated. For snacks, roasted chickpeas, baked sweet potato fries, or lightly sautéed vegetables are much healthier options that protect joints and the heart. In short, while fried foods may feel comforting, after 60 they are more harmful than ever. Reducing them not only helps protect the heart and joints but also keeps energy levels high, skin youthful, and the body more resilient against aging. For many people, white bread, pasta, biscuits, and other refined carbs have been a daily staple for decades. But after the age of 60, doctors strongly advise cutting back on these foods because they no longer provide the energy seniors actually need. Instead, they rob the body of strength and accelerate health problems. Refined carbohydrates are foods that have been heavily processed, removing most of their natural fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Examples include white bread, white rice, pastries, and sugary breakfast cereals. These foods break down quickly into glucose, causing rapid spikes in blood sugar. For seniors, this is especially dangerous. The body's ability to regulate blood sugar weakens with age, and constant spikes increase the risk of type 2 diabetes and worsen complications for those already diagnosed. Beyond blood sugar, refined carbs also cause a cycle of energy crashes. Seniors who eat a meal heavy in white bread or pasta may feel energized for a short time, but soon after, their energy drops drastically. This leads to fatigue, brain fog, and the need for constant snacking. Over time, this pattern not only causes weight gain but also reduces overall vitality, making daily activities harder to manage. Another concern is the lack of fiber. Seniors need fiber for good digestion and to prevent constipation, a common issue after 60. Whole grains provide this fiber, but refined carbs strip it away. Without enough fiber, digestion slows, gut health suffers, and cholesterol levels rise, adding more strain on the heart. Doctors also highlight that refined carbs increase inflammation in the body. Inflammation is linked to arthritis, joint stiffness, and even cognitive decline. Seniors who rely heavily on white bread and similar foods may notice more pain, swelling, and slower recovery from everyday activities. So, what's the healthier choice? Instead of white bread, switch to whole grain bread, oats, quinoa, brown rice, and barley. These complex carbs digest slowly, keeping blood sugar steady and providing longer-lasting energy. Whole grains are also rich in B vitamins and magnesium, which support nerve function, bone health, and overall strength in older adults. In short, refined carbs may taste comforting, but after 60 they drain energy, weaken digestion, and increase disease risks. By replacing them with whole, unprocessed grains, seniors can enjoy steady energy, stronger bones, healthier digestion, and a much better quality of life. After 60, the body processes substances like caffeine and alcohol very differently than it did in younger years. What once felt harmless, a cup of strong coffee in the morning or a glass of wine at night, can now silently disrupt sleep, weaken digestion, and increase the risk of chronic health problems. Doctors consistently advise seniors to limit or completely avoid excess caffeine and alcohol for better long-term health. Let's start with caffeine. While moderate caffeine may improve alertness, too much of it, found in strong tea, coffee, energy drinks, or even chocolate, can trigger insomnia. Seniors naturally experience changes in their sleep cycles, and caffeine makes it harder to fall asleep or stay asleep. Poor sleep weakens the immune system, reduces memory, and worsens mood. Caffeine also raises blood pressure temporarily and can cause palpitations, especially in older adults with heart conditions. Another hidden danger is bone health. Excessive caffeine interferes with calcium absorption, contributing to osteoporosis and increasing fracture risk. Now, let's talk about alcohol. After 60, the liver becomes less efficient at metabolizing alcohol, meaning it stays in the system longer and hits harder. Even small amounts can cause dizziness, slower reflexes, and an increased risk of falls. Alcohol also irritates the stomach lining, leading to indigestion, acid reflux, and in some cases, ulcers. Seniors with diabetes face an added risk. Alcohol interferes with blood sugar control, sometimes causing dangerous highs or lows. Regular alcohol intake is also linked to cognitive decline. Studies show that seniors who drink heavily are more likely to experience memory problems and dementia. Combined with certain medications, alcohol becomes even more dangerous, increasing side effects and putting strain on the liver and kidneys. So, what should seniors do? Doctors recommend limiting caffeine to no more than 1 mild cup of coffee or tea per day and avoiding it in the late afternoon or evening. Herbal teas such as chamomile, peppermint, or ginger are healthier alternatives that promote relaxation and aid digestion. When it comes to alcohol, the safest option after 60 is either strict moderation or complete avoidance. Seniors who enjoy social occasions can opt for sparkling water with lemon, fresh juices, or non-alcoholic mocktails. In short, while caffeine and alcohol may feel like small daily pleasures, their long-term effects can silently damage sleep, digestion, and overall health. By reducing or eliminating them, seniors can protect their heart, bones, brain, and enjoy a healthier, more energized lifestyle.